Hey, what's up everybody? This is Easy CNC. Today we're going to have a quick video on how to do Flowline. We'll use Flowline to do some surfacing on this part. So, here's our part. And we have a fillet on one of the corners. So we'll go down to Flowline under 3D. We'll select the fillet, hit End Selection, go to Flowline Direction, go to Cut Direction, there we go, hit the check mark again, wait for your parameters to load. Now we want to select a tool that will do this. We'll probably go with a 1/4 inch ball end mill to do this fillet radius. So let's find our 1/4 inch ball. There we go, that'll work. We'll pretend it's 303 stainless steel we're cutting, so we'll type in our surface footage, 250, tool diameter, number of teeth. Oh, looks like we put our tool diameter in wrong. We'll fix that real quick. Okay, looking good. So 3,820 RPM and 9 inches a minute. Okay. So we'll type that in after we make this tool 1. Feel free to pause this video and rewind because we are going pretty quick. So feed rate 9 inches a minute, retract, rapid, surface parameters, that all looks good. Go to distance, step over, let's do a 5,000 step over, give it a really nice finish. We'll go one way so it does climb cutting. Next we'll go to gap settings. We'll go down to tangential line length and we'll add, let's say 25. So it starts 25 thou off the part. There we go. It creates some really good tool paths right there. Next, we'll go to verify. Double check everything looks good. Always use verify and make sure that your tool paths are looking good. You don't want any surprises when you go to run the program in the machine. Okay, so we'll slow it down. We'll just click play. Just like that, we added a nice fillet or corner radius, whichever you prefer. So sweet, there's our little video on how to do some surfacing with Mastercam 2020. Be on the lookout for more videos and subscribe to Easy Speeds and Feeds for more videos, and we'll catch you later. Thanks.